How to tag people on LinkedIn post. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, search for linkedin.com, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your LinkedIn account. So tagging people on LinkedIn is simple and a great way to boost engagement or give credit in a post. So here's how you can do it. For that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on start a post, and just like that, you want to go ahead and type in @ followed by the person's name. And once you type in the person's name, LinkedIn will show you a drop down of people matching that name. Click the correct profile from the list to tag them. And once you tap onto it, the name will turn into a clickable blue link. That means they are tagged. They'll also get notified once the post goes live. And once done, you want to go ahead and tap on post. And just like that, you can go ahead and tag companies using the same @ method. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.